This is no ordinary water purifier. This is Aquaguard Select Edge, a cutting-edge innovation which gives you protection of steel with the goodness of copper. A stylish water purifier meant for the contemporary kitchen because your drinking water deserves a healthy edge. Aquaguard Select Edge, inbuilt with a high-grade 304 stainless steel storage, is proven to be corrosion-free, tough and durable to give you fresh and healthy water always. Its patented active copper max technology enriches your water by infusing the goodness of copper. The max effect releases calcium, magnesium and zinc in the right amount, ensuring the water you drink is not just pure but healthy too. Introducing Biotron technology. This aids in faster absorption of copper, calcium, zinc and magnesium in your body. With the Mineral Guard technology, you get to drink healthy mineral-enriched water as it retains all the essential natural minerals that ordinary water purifiers deplete. Ordinary UV LEDs provide secondary and slow disinfection, while Aquaguard Select's UV e-boiling technology instantly gives water as safe and pure as water boiled for 20+ minutes. Edge is certified to remove new age contaminants like lead and mercury from the water, and hence be rest assured about the quality of the water. The advanced taste adjuster allows to get sweet tasting water even when the water source changes from piped water to tanker water. In addition, its large storage capacity of 5 liters ensures that you have healthy drinking water available at all times. Its advanced pump has suction capability and works even at zero pressure, which is a big relief from the noisy booster pump hampering the looks of the kitchen. Aquaguard's Health Protect technology and genuine service AMC ensure that no spurious parts can be fitted into the purifier, which ensures your family's health and security. The LED indicator indicates you when tank is full, when purification process starts, when service is due. As the time for service approaches, this smart purifier notifies its need to be serviced, and now booking Aquaguard genuine service is faster and easier with the new Eureka Phobes service app. Download the app now and book your service in just 3 seconds. Crafted for the ultra-modern modular kitchen home, Aquaguard Select Edge can be either wall-mounted or kept on the marble countertop. Aquaguard has the trust of 1.5 crore mothers and is owned by 1.62 lakh doctors. With such phenomenal features, we can definitely say one thing: not every water purifier is an Aquaguard.